how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about Plesk IP Ban solutions. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200-plus page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of dragging things out with stuff you probably don't need or care about, just to make the video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for managing or bypassing Plesk IP Ban right now, plus a few key points about each, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPNs for dealing with Plesk IP Ban, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for handling Plesk IP Ban. Why? It's super reliable and works smoothly for managing or bypassing IP bans in Plesk environments, which is seriously important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, plus solid download and upload speeds. Crucial when you're reconnecting to Plesk server managed sites. Features, it's got the most features of any VPN here. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. Perfect for making sure you don't get locked out again. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and their support is top notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep any, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty cheap for everything you get. Negatives, just a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Plesk IP Ban is IPVanish. Why? It's a no-nonsense, performance-focused VPN built for avoiding IP bans and geolocation blocks you often see with Plesk. Speed, crazy fast, consistently low ping, no lag spikes or packet loss, just smooth, uninterrupted connections to Plesk-hosted services. Features, all the essentials plus a bit more. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is perfect if you want only your Plesk traffic to go through the VPN. Pricing and support, great value for the money. Usually cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier speed and performance. Support is fast and helpful. Logs? No logs. Plus they've got an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption uses AES 256, the best tech out there. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit nervous, but their no-log audit checks out. Also, the server network is smaller compared to the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for bypassing IP bans in Plesk or any hosting panel. Third best VPN for Plesk IP Ban is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It's got a massive server network and tons of customization. Perfect if you want to switch IPs often to dodge Plesk bans. Speed? Very good. With so many servers, you'll almost always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option. Support is solid and professional. Logs? None. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? The best encryption tech, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, the app isn't quite as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best budget pick if you want a VPN for Plesk IP Ban, with a huge network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for dealing with Plesk IP Ban: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you just pick one based on its logo or color, you'll be fine, because they all just work perfectly for managing or bypassing Plesk IP Ban. Quick recap, just in case you're still on the fence. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Plesk IP Ban, a premium experience, the most features and fast speeds. Choose IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you incredible bang for your buck when dealing with Plesk restrictions. Pick PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for Plesk IP Ban with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job's done here. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.